Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change signature in Gmail. Let's get started. First, go to mail.google.com and log into your Gmail account. Then click the gear icon in the top right corner, then click See All Settings. And after that, in the settings menu, scroll down to the signature section. And here you'll see your current signature or an option to create a new one. And after that, click Create New to make a new signature or click your existing signature to edit it. You can add text, images, links, or even emojis to customize it. Then, below the signature box, choose the signature to use for new emails and reply or forward emails. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.